Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tire and wheel matchup with a set of Moto Metal 962 wheels in a chrome finish. It's 20 by 10 with a negative 24 millimeter offset and some 35 by 1250 R20 Atturo TrailBlade XT tires. It's like their hybrid tire that they have. So these Moto Metal 962s, they're offered in 4 different finishes. Also, these Moto Metal, some of the most popular wheels on the market. It is a clean 8-spoke design, and that's about it. There's not much more to it. It's 8 spokes, pretty simple. They got a lip, so if you want a lip, it's got a lip. 4 finishes, gloss black and milled, PVD center with a gloss black, which means it's got the chrome spokes with a gloss black lip, and then a satin gray and milled, which is like a flat black. It's a little gray though, and then you have your chrome finish. They're offered in a 5, 6, and 8 lug, and they're offered in 17, 18, 20, and 22-inch wheels. They range anywhere from a 9-inch wide, 22 by 14. So they go anywhere from a 9 to a 14-inch wide wheel. Plenty of sizes, plenty of offsets, great looking tire, one of the best-selling wheels for sure. 2018, probably going to be one of the best ones in 2019 as well. With that being said, these Atturo XT TrailBlades, they are a great mid-range tire. They compete with the Toyos and the Nittos and the BFGs, but again, for the price point, you cannot beat them. They're in that mid-grade level, mid-range level, and for what you get out of your money, I absolutely love them. They're not the quietest, they're not the best handling, and they're not the smoothest, but for the price, you cannot beat them, and you have the Atturo name, which is just an all-around good name. So with that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, Atturo, they make a TrailBlade MT, which is a big fan favorite. I think it kind of looks like a Toyo. So maybe you look into that tire for your truck or Jeep. With that being said, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, give us a call or text. Phone number is 833-268-2577. Thanks for watching and have a great day.